Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Trace Digitals. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and if you have any requests, please comment or say whatever you want under there. It don't matter. Oh yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. I think next month, I don't know if it's going to be early or late, but I will be uploading a new animation video. Oh, and shout out to those that are commenting. I respect it.
Respect the drip, Karen.
But nevertheless, let's get into it. Okay, this is the third edition of my expression exercise videos. Now, I wasn't gonna post this one because it came out in my eyes as a fail.
You blew it!
But I decided to put it up because I wanted to kind of talk about how failing can help you grow. And I know you hear it all the time, art is about repetition, but this goes with anything that's creative. And I think that one of the biggest things that you should do is finish your fails. This was supposed to be like a snarling or evil smile, and it turned out to be some old crazy stuff. You can see in some parts look like I'm drawing a lizard person, and in other parts it's starting to look like a human. But the biggest thing is finishing, and then toss it out. Don't get halfway through and then say, I'm good, it's not working out. No, finish it, simplify it, and then move on. Then I think the next biggest thing is comparing your latest work to your older work. Now you can see an actual difference in your skill level. Don't go and compare your stuff to somebody that's been doing this for 10 years when you've only been doing it 5, or 15 years and you've only been doing it for 7. It just doesn't make any sense. They have much more work done. They got much more exercises done than you do. So compare it to your old work and you can see a clear difference between the two. And you can see how much you've graduated. Now, when it comes to using references, I always say use great references. I start off with simple references and clear references, and then I can mold them into what I want them to look like. Now, I'm not doing this to lecture anybody. I'm just doing this to encourage people to continue to finish your works. Don't be scared of what somebody's gonna say about how it's ugly. It's about you and your process, you getting your process down. If you wanna post it, you can. That's just on you how emotionally sensitive you are, but you don't have to post it, but it's about completing it. Now, you can do a work and it come out bad to you, and then you can redraw it maybe a year later, and then you'll see your difference, and then you can post it so people can see your growth. But it's all about growth. Every time you put the pencil to a pad, to a sketchbook, or your pen to your digital tablet, or whatever you use to draw.
Respect the drip, Karen.
That's really what I wanted to talk about. I'm not gonna keep drawing it out that long. I'm gonna let you guys finish this video. The clothes will look different. I went over a lot of times. But I finished it. That's the key. Finish your work. Fails help you grow. But until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and drop a comment. Request a video. Animation coming soon. Subscribe!